Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you a HDD upgrade for my PlayStation 5, the Seagate FireCuda 530. In this case it's a version with 1 terabyte. Of course, the capacity is possible in 500 gigabyte, 1 terabyte, 2 terabyte, 4 terabyte. Wow, 4 terabyte, that's a lot. Ooh. Then, what it is an internal solid-state drive SSD, M.2 PCI Express Generation 4, 4 times NVMe 1.4 PlayStation 5 internal SSD, and with a speed up to 7,300 megabyte per second, a 3D TLC NAND with 1275 TBW, 1.8 M MTBF, and a heatsink is included too. Yeah, this was a lot of data, isn't it? Speed reigns. The Seagate's FireCuda 530 dominates the SSD lineup, delivering pure performance, absolute power, the most advanced components, and unrivaled endurance. Exhilarating performance up to 7,300 megabit per second harness the full power of the PCIe Express Generation 4 speeds to dominate the next-gen games and apps. This fastest FireCuda SSD ever built for the ultimate in sustained pro-level gaming and accelerated content creation, with transfer speed up to 2 times faster than the PCI Express Generation 3 M.2 NVMe SSDs and 12 times faster than the SATA SSDs. That's nice. And this is the best choice for our PlayStation 5. It's not only for PlayStation 5, of course. It's for your laptop, for your notebook, for your computer system, compatible too. Includes a custom-built low-profile heatsink designed by EKWB and Seagate to help minimize the thermal throttling and maintain the peak performance for longer time periods of gaming. Yeah. Enjoy long-term peace of mind with the included 5-year limited warranty and 3 years of USQ data recovery services. That's a nice additional part. The FireCuda 530 with heatsink is compatible with the PlayStation 5 consoles. Easy drop-in expansion, no additional parts are needed, of course. But what it is? NVMe means it's a non-volatile memory host controller interface specification. This is an open logical device interface specification for accessing a computer's non-volatile storage media, usually attached via PCI Express BOS. The acronym NVMe stands for non-volatile memory, which is often NAND flash memory that comes in several physical form factors, included solid-state drives like here, PCI Express, add-in cards, and M.2 cards. And here it is. This is an NVMe and a not PCI Express add-on card. It's an M.2 card, the successor to SATA cards. M.2, pronounced M.2 and formerly known as the next generation form factor, NGFF. This is a specification for internally mounted computer expansion cards and associated connectors. The M.2 replaced the SATA standards, which used the PCI Express mini cards, physical cards, layout, and connectors. Employing a more flexible physical specification, the M.2 allows different model width and lengths, which pair with the available more advanced interfacing features, makes the M.2 more suitable than the SATA in general for solid-state storage applications, particularly in smaller devices such as ultrabooks and tablets, and of course in our PlayStation 5. because this SSD here matches all settings which Sony set to us. The FireCuda 530 PCIe Gen4, explosive speed, absolute domination, blistering performance, and unrivaled endurance. The FireCuda 530 redefined speed because it is so fast. 7,300 megabit per second, catalyzed PCI Express Generation 4 power, with transfer rates 2 times faster than the PCIe Generation 3. That's awesome, really. We have a low profile heatsink design. This allows for installation in tighter spaces and high grade aluminum block. With gunmetal anodized helps dissipate heat. And up to 5,100 terabyte TBW. We write 70% of the drive capacity every day for 5 years. That's awesome, and this is an awesome storage expansion for the PlayStation 5. The FireCuda 530 with the heatsink is compatible with our PlayStation 5 console and meets the PlayStation 5 specs on performance and dimension for an easy drop in expansion solution with no additional parts needed. We're using an M.2 SSD with that PlayStation 2 console, requires effective heat dissipation with a cooling structure. And here it is. In that set, everything what we need is included. The only thing is we have to remove the cover plate of the PlayStation 5 and then we can install this Seagate FireCuda 530. After the installation process, we have to format it, but this is easy possible. The only thing we have to format that by using our PlayStation 5 software, which is included in the PlayStation 5, and then we can store and play with the PlayStation 5 with more terabyte of memory and fast memory, in our PlayStation 5. Of course, it's also available, and in this dimensions here, it's no problem to build or to attach this inside your mainboard or at your mainboard at your M.2 PCI Express Generation 4 slot on your motherboard, on your computer, on your laptop and notebook. No problem. It's compatible with the M.2 PCI Express slot. This is the Seagate FireCuda 530. In my case, in 1 terabyte, also available with 2 terabyte and 4 terabyte. But this is the maximum space for your PlayStation 5. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.